open the door of the system. And we can see in the rack system there are 5 modules in the rack. And they are fixed with the rack so that it will not move when the transportation, and you don't need to install by yourself when you receive it. It's very convenient and fast. The first module is a 5 kilowatt inverter, and as we can see, there is a LCD display, and we can read the battery voltage and AC voltage. On the LCD right side, there are 3 switches and 4 connectors. These switches is control the AC in to control the battery charge by the connection with the AC power. And this switch is AC out, which controls the connection with the discharge by the connection of this one. And this is the battery switches, which can connect the inverter with the battery connection. The 4 battery modules are connected in parallel, and each battery, as we can look, there is a LCD display, and each has one switch. On the LCD display, we can read the battery module data, such as the module voltage, current, temperature, cell voltage, and the cell capacity, so that you can know each battery status very clearly. On the left side, there is a wires, which is a connection of the communication protocol, like the RS485, Keheng, RS232, so that you can also read the system data from your laptop at any time, at any place. And each battery module with the smart BMS built in. It has the overload protection, over discharge protection, temperature protection, and balance function, alarm function, so that it can protect your system very kindly.